my boat late one night when I saw this horrible sight. It was walking on the water, coming straight for me. Now the wind and the waves were getting high. My friends and I, we started to cry. It looked like a ghost coming after me. But the Lord said, it's me. His words came quick and reassuringly. Yes, the Lord said, I am here. Trust in me, have no fear. Well, Lord, I said, is that really you? And if it is, let me come to you. And at his word, I stepped out on the sea. But seeing the wind, I became afraid. Started to sink, I cried and said, Lord, don't let these waves come over me. But the Lord said, reach for me. His hand came quick and reassuringly. Yes, the Lord said, I am near. Trust in me, have no fear. And oftentimes I remember what he said. Why do you doubt? Why not trust me instead? And the Lord said, it's me. His hand came quick and reassuringly. Yes, the Lord said, I am here. Trust in me, have no fear. Praise God.